Welcome to a world of innovation and convenience. We have a list of game-changing gadgets that will transform your life. Get ready to experience the extraordinary. Stay tuned for an adventure into the world of cutting-edge technology. Cubiio. Say goodbye to tedious setups and large machinery with the help of Cubiio, the most portable laser engraver that will transform your creativity. With this tool, you can easily engrave and cut various materials like wood, leather, craftboard, and paper. You simply choose a picture, place your item in the working zone, and press start. Cubiio is so small and portable that you can take it anywhere without restriction. It fits perfectly in any studio workshop or on your desktop. Let us demonstrate the magic it can create. This laser engraver is the best instrument for creating unique works of art, and it will cost you around $580 to enhance your creative game. Everyday blade. A blade is frequently needed to cut packets of food and other items wherever you might be. Imagine you now have a little blade that can be opened and closed with only one hand and is handy even outside of home. It's wonderful that 12 different blade types can be added to the main body and that they are simple to remove. You can cut through strong packets and peel wood easily with its blade. By hanging it with your keys, you can transport it everywhere, and thanks to its short blade, you can complete a lot of cutting tasks with ease. It contains a pattern padding lock that you can only unlock with your hand if necessary. Because it doesn't open on its own without being asked to, your security is also entirely unharmed. This everyday blade costs you $45. Do check it in the description. Remarkable too, although the mind is constantly filled with brilliant ideas, they do not always stay there. We carry a copy, a pen and paper with us to record them. However, as these papers run out, we must repurchase them from the market, and as a result, a large number of these papers accumulate in our possession. The world's thinnest tablet, however, will prevent this from happening because it will make you feel more comfortable than your paper. This tablet has millions of amazing ink components that instantly appear on the screen and showcase your writing. It is simply a fantastic tablet with a thin 19-inch display that will seem lighter in your hands than a file, being only 0.19 inches wide. It allows you to write anything and store it, as well as help you write better. This tablet starts from price $279. Flextail Tiny Repel. Going out for camping? Tired of mosquitoes following you wherever you go? Introducing the Flextail Tiny Repel, your ultimate mosquito repellent solution. This tiny powerhouse provides 360-degree protection from mosquitoes for up to 7 hours. With double-sided design and 2 repellent mats, it creates a 30-foot protection zone within just 50 seconds. Need longer protection? Switch to camp mode for a 10-foot zone and up to 10 hours of runtime. Not just a repellent, it's also an ultra-bright camping lantern with adjustable brightness levels lasting up to 9 hours. And yes, it's a power bank too. Don't underestimate its size. This little wonder does it all. The price of this device is $49. InstaFlow 360. Elevate your video content with this advanced AI smartphone stabilizer. Whether you're into vlogging or creating engaging videos, the Insta360 Flow is a must-try. Its cutting-edge 3-axis stabilization system tracks your movements or any subject with unmatched precision, ensuring exceptional stability for smooth shots, even during dynamic actions. Forget about additional equipment. This stabilizer comes with a built-in selfie stick, tripod, and even doubles as a power bank. It's all you need to capture cinematic footage wherever your adventures take you. Just choose the mode and orientation, and you're ready to shoot. It costs you around $159. Bebird X17 Pro. Say goodbye to traditional ear cleaning methods and welcome a revolutionary way to clean your delicate ears. This innovative device ensures gentle and safe ear cleaning without the need to manually rotate anything in your ear. With the Bebird X17 Pro, you have full control from your device, allowing you to effortlessly remove dirt and even see the internal area of your ear. It comes in a unique spoon-like shape that can accommodate 11 different spoons for effective cleaning. Experience the joy of crystal clear hearing. Get the Bebird X17 Pro today for just $70. Carpuride, introducing the ultimate car entertainment system that will revolutionize your driving experience. Say goodbye to outdated car stereos and welcome a high-tech upgrade. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, effortlessly connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps without the hassle of tangled cords. The 7-inch touchscreen display offers a spaceship-like interface with crisp graphics, putting a high-tech control center at your fingertips. Stay safe with built-in Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls and music streaming. Enjoy the convenience of MirrorLink, Google Assistant, and Siri integration for voice-controlled commands, making you feel like James Bond behind the wheel. The price of this multimedia starts from $219. Zimmo FreeFoot. This innovative device comfortably wraps around your ankle and utilizes motion sensors to interpret your foot movements into commands. Want to turn on the lights, change the song, or adjust the temperature? Simply tap or move your foot in a specific way, and it happens seamlessly. With Zimmo FreeFoot, experience a hands-free and intuitive control experience like never before for your smart devices.